International has been having a bunch of trouble with this airline right here. That's all kinds of loose. I'm going to fix that. Get the camera set up here. This camera might be in the way. Let's see if I can get this in there. Get that loose. She is loose. Really why nobody's fixed it, because you got to take it all apart to get this to swing in there and get it started, but that's it. Can't even get it started. Gotta take this out. Alright guys, got it tight. Got that tight. It's all tight now. Just gonna put the brackets back together when she's done. Brackets right here to come out. That bracket, and there's one in there. So I'll take this time and thank you guys for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.